Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can download, install, and activate QuickBooks Intuit app. So even if you're brand new, so first scroll down and choose your product. Alright. So you can choose from Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. Select the version here. Then click search and hit the download button. Once downloaded, find the installer file. Usually in your downloads folder, just find the downloads folder on your desktop. Just double click on the exe set of file and install. Then a QuickBooks wizard will launch. So it will look something like this. Close it. So this is the download page, and then install version wizard will open. Then simply click next, 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 and agree, and then add your license and product number, fill it up, then choose your number here or use business email, fill it out the rest of the details, then click next, then choose the installation type, express is recommended, then simply click next, and then it will complete your installation. And then once installed, open the app, and then we can start using QuickBooks Intuit on a desktop. So sometimes a reboot might be required, so just restart it.